papiere. Now, if you see the rule list here, so we have three things to see here. The words ending with er. Could you see anywhere ending with er? Did I write anything? Okay, there is another one rule here is that nouns ending with er, en doesn't change in plural. That's how Sana and Samriddhi did. They haven't changed it. Now, Ashwin, you tell me why did you make it papier?
Just I read the rules. So
But do you think any route could justify papier? Papier?
the third one.
Okay, what? Third one. The masculine nouns
No,
generally
not
make.
this one.
Yeah, it's so that's what I was saying, that papier
About
is
that.
something. Okay, so you will come across these words which will not follow up any rule. So if you might end up making mistake to it, so the better and the best way possible is to rectify your mistake and learn it. So remember, papier does change. It does have a plural form, which is the papiera, and which has got no rule. There is
below that
apart
is
from
written, actually.
yeah,
Below that masculine one. Actually,
yeah,
there
yeah.
is written. If it ends with R, it will end. It's add an E. I just thought
Yeah, but
with your so then papier.
okay, just do one thing. These are the 6 rules I've shared. There are 6, or I would say 7 more. 7 more, they're very deep. So in that deep thing, you might find a reason for papier. But I have considered, or I have always tell everybody that apart from these 6 rules, if you see anything else, then the better is to learn them, because these are not coming in majority. The majority will always be the words that will have these 6 rules. So always go with the majority rather than learning each and everything, because which is not logically possible in German. Yeah, so better would be to learn it like that. Das Papier, die Papier. Better would be. Now, let's see. Das Lineal. So it's a neutral noun. What do you think it can be? And what can be the change here? Sana? Lineal?
Yes, I'm just checking if I
Yeah.
it's a neutral noun, so it will be linealer.
It's a it's a neutral noun. So let's check it for this. Do we have the rule for it given or not? Okay, so it says the neutral nouns generally make the plural by adding er. So that's why you are saying it's linealer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Ashwita Samriddhi, what did you write here?
That would be lineal. And make it up.
You didn't make any change. Okay, Samriddhi,
Added an ER.
what did you add?
ER. The same as
ER.
Sana.
Okay, so make it linealer. No change again. Papier and lineal, the linealer and the papier. Okay, then we had, so we saw this two didn't follow any rule. Okay, the crider. Feminine noun, crider. What it can be? Possible changes. Ashwin?
Cried.
Yeah, very good. It's the crieden. The crieden. Okay. Der circle. What it
What
could
was
be? The possible.
What was the
Yeah.
rule for the 9th one?
What was the rule for?
The 9th one.
9th one, crider. Crider is feminine noun. And you can see here, the feminine nouns generally make their plural by adding n or en. That's why it changed to crieden. Yeah. And their circle. So anybody, Samriddhi, what do you think the change can be possible here?
No change. Same.
No change. Okay. So according to Samriddhi, there could be no change possible here. Why, Samriddhi, you think so?
Because it's ending with an EL.
Because it's ending with EL. So we have in the rule list that majority of the words that ends with EL, they don't follow up any rule. So yeah, this is what German is. You will have different words and you can learn different things every day. And some things will not relate to anything. That, ma'am, we learned this thing, but this is completely out of the box. So you just have to accept it's their language, so we have to learn it accordingly. But yeah, the rules and the patterns are given in order to make the learning phase a bit more easier. But the rule and patterns cannot help you anywhere and everywhere. So the second option is to learn the odd ones out. We try to follow the pattern for the majorities, and we'll try to learn the odd ones out. That's how you learn German. Because if they give you the rule and pattern for everything, then the learning part will remain nothing. That's why they have made it a big thing. When I was learning German, I was very interested to know this thing, that because I was the one who used to be very inquisitive. When I did A1, we had 6 students in the class, and I haven't done it from Goethe because admission in Goethe was not possible for the A1 students. So I did it from a private institution, and we had like 6 students. So out of those 6, there were 2 students who were very, I would say, enthusiastic, and we were very, that question bank sort of thing. So we used to ask this, ma'am, why this, why this, why this. So one fine day, the director of that institute, she came to our class, and then she made us understood that German is a very patience learning thing, because there are so many things in here. But the good thing is that in order to make the learning thing easier, they have given some rules and patterns that would help you in some cases. Yeah, I would say as a, what do you call that? Extra help, an extra hand. But yeah, you cannot depend upon these rules and these patterns, as they are very limited. You have a word in German in a dictionary where they don't follow anything. It's about how they wanted to create the language. They did it that way. So you have to learn it accordingly. So she told us to remain or to be patient, have patience. Then I got a bit calm, and then I started learning with bit slowly. And then that was the time I actually started enjoying German. And in A2, I was pretty curious to know that how the language was created. So I got up, so because I had a library in the